We have a beautiful E46 M3. As you can see, he has the SR sticker on it, carbon fiber hood, digging the wheels as well, guys. So you know I own an E92 M3 and an E46 M3. So right now we're out here at a BMW, all BMW meet. As you can see, this is a few of the cars right now. The meet's actually over here right now, so we're gonna walk to it right now real quick and see what's up. Guys, it's hot as hell right now. I actually had shoes on, but you know I had to go with the chanclas. Check it out. I went with the ripped jeans as well. Staying with the style points. So yeah, guys, we're out here at a BMW meet. We're gonna see some M3s, some M4s, as you can see already, some E92 M3s like my car. Of course, E92 for the win. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Thanks for the support, guys. Don't forget to hit the bell. Check out these beautiful M4s right here, guys. 20. I'm digging the rims that it comes with. Look at those rims right there. E92 and 3 gang. We got another beautiful M4 right here, guys. E92 and 3. Damn, check out this beautiful car right here. It's all about the details, guys. Look, guys, my lip only lasts like 3 weeks. I love the headlights on this car, guys. Look. So the lovely lady right here requests, what color do you want me to wrap my car? This color? Do you want me to put the dog like that too? No. Not the dog? What do you have against the dogs? You want me to call Peter on you? Huh? I know him, I have him on speed dial. Check out the wing in this car, guys. With the white body as well. It looks beautiful as hell. Got another E46 M3. A beautiful M6 coming through. Big fan of this one. All carbon inside. Oh, we got a little wide body action in the back. Hey. You see, these are the headlights that I was telling you guys about. Like, they look pretty sick, huh? And then he has the little carbon fiber on top. Hey. Oh, he said it. Goals right here for my car. Wide body, lips. Good. We got the wing as well on top of that. Traffic right here, guys. He already airbagged, so he can leave already because he was to the floor, guys. Look at how beautiful this car looks. Beautiful. Okay, guys. This is for sure, hands down, how I want my E92 M3. So you agree that this is gonna be how my car's gonna look? You don't like it? Why? You're stupid. I like this one. Don't listen to her, she's on crack right now. Anyways, so yeah guys, this could be a potential. Maybe different rim setup. This is how my lip's supposed to look. Brand new, by the way. My thing has like a thing right here, and then like it's all cracked. The wrap is beautiful on this. Same rims as the one that I have on my car, but new as well, guys. It's just beautiful car. With the side skirts as well. Oh, loving the side skirt. Okay. Yeah, but for this car, for sure. Oh, for sure, hands down. All right, back to the man stuff. Carbon hood. I like the openings. I like the lip. Digging it. Got the little wing on it too. A little nice little table for me. Saquita muchachonas. This interior right here is a beautiful color in the E46, especially this white one. Rocking the BBSs on it as well. A super stance E92 M3 right here, guys. Check it out. The reason why I love this car so much is because simple V8, guys. That's the reason why I love this car. ¿Sabes qué? Cabrón, a mí no me importa lo que me digas. Este carro me gusta a mí y a ti te gusta el purple because your favorite color is purple. Si fuera amarillo, ¿no te gustaría? Only because it's purple, right? Told you. Point made, guys. The white one is 1,000 times better. Look at this one right here. These are the lights that I want. See? And I need to get that hood as well. I'm digging the color though. Oh yeah. Okay. This is another car that I want to throw something in. Okay, here's another one with a brand new lip, unlike mine, okay? He just recently wrapped it. If you don't know who he is, you gotta know who he is. This guy is Finding Nick. This is a beautiful grab color. Same rims as well. Should I repaint my rims, rebuy them, or put them different? What do you think?
I don't know, buy them again.
Está loca. Como que si estoy cagando tanto dinero, buy them again. I'm in BMW heaven right now, guys. I already changed my boxers 5 times because I've been jizzed on a lot of times. This car keeps making me jizz myself. And he keeps following me for some reason. Like I'm already stained, dripping and shit. Get you lada. One time for this car. Oh yeah. I noticed that a lot of people have the E92 M3s. V8 gang for the win, guys. We got a beautiful white one right there with the lights. We got another one right here. Recaro seats right here. Let's see what other stuff he has. Oh, got it out the back. Okay. Manual as well. I'm digging that. Check this car out, guys. I know he has invested a lot in it. Let's come through. We got the hood scopes. This guy is 100% about just racing. Check it out. Got it out. No seats, just one seat. Manual as hell. He got the M3. He got the M3 clubs right there. He means business, guys. He means business. Got the white body as well. Loving the rims as well. Everybody's coming over here. I don't know what this guy's gonna do tonight. Is he gonna flip over? Damn. That guy over there got hella weight. You could tell right away. Here's the main attraction right here for you guys. Eita, marica. What's up? What's cracking? What's cracking? Oh, okay. This section right here is the jizz your panties section right here. Check out the wrap on this. All right. I'm digging it. I've been following this guy for like about 2 months already, and we finally get to see the whip in person. Here we go. Digging the rims as well, guys. Paddle shifters, of course. So now he's supercharged, guys, so forget the flames, but he's supercharged now. And then this guy always rolls with this guy. So I don't know the setup on this guy, but by the looks of it, Canyon running masters right here, guys.
It's a Halloween car.
A Halloween car? Well, it is like a little pumpkin. For a Halloween, he takes photo shoots with pumpkins. Follow him on the IG, guys, Linebrock. The setup is beautiful, excuse me. Thank you. Oh, somebody gave me some of those bracelets right there. Wait a minute. Is that a Tommy? What is it doing here? Ooh, E46 and 3.